What's up guys, how are you today? And here we go again in a new video and something new to learn. Today we are going to do a nice French ponytail. You can wear it for any events, a wedding, any ceremony you think about. You can wear this French unique sexy ponytail. And the first thing what we're gonna do is to section the hair, and after that, because I want to volumizing the hair, so I'm gonna do texturizing iron. The texturizing iron is not the flat iron, it's something similar, but it has like a curve in it, and this is what create the crest on the hair and gives it more volume. So I will start first from the nape, and I have to do the whole hair. I take small sections, I don't take big sections because I want to get volume as much as possible. The more volume I get, it's better gonna be the French ponytail I'm going to do. And now you're gonna see what I'm talking about, guys. So when you do anything, just be creative and put your own touch. As I said before, always you don't copy paste somebody, just learn from everybody, but always put your own touch. So as you see here, I just speed up the time a little bit because I don't want to make the video very long. Here, after we finish the the texturizing iron, and here I'm spraying texturizing spray because I want to get rid of the frizz. And when you see I spray with the cuticle, the way the cuticle flowing, I don't spray against the cuticle because I don't want this frizzy hair, especially around the face frame, to pop up. So here we go. The first section I'm gonna take, it's from the parture ridge area, from the outer side of the eyebrow. As you see, I just make sure my section clean and nice, because this is what's gonna make my French ponytail looks really nice. So very important, guys, to take a clean nice section. When I take the clean section, I create my first ponytail on the top, and just I make sure I brush it and makes it looks very polished and nice. So now I just clip it out, I move it away, out of my way, and then I take the second section and the second ponytail, and as I said, make sure it's clean and nice, brush it, it makes it look very polished and looks good, because you don't want any frizz in it. So the spray we did, the texturizing spray we sprayed, this is what's gonna help really to get rid of this frizz. So as you see here, the first ponytail, on the one on the top, is gonna go inside the second ponytail, and then you put elastic and both together. It's really not that hard, guys, not that complicated, it's very easy. So as you see, the first ponytail will go, and the second ponytail I will split it in half, and I bring the one on the top and I put it in between them, and then I get them all together, and then I put the elastic. What I'm gonna do this process again and again and again to get, so I run out of hair, so I don't have any more hair. So this is the third section, sorry, and I do the same. I split it, and then I bring the second ponytail, the one on the top, and I put it in between, and then I get them all together as you see here, and then I put elastic again. I will do the same till there is no any more hair I have left. So make sure your section is like 1 inch, so don't take the first section like 1 inch and then the second section like take 2 inches. So it has to be all even to looks good, because if you take section big and section small, in the end the result won't be that nice. The look won't be really good. So as you see, I'm still going on, and don't, as I said, take an even section, because you want the final result to be nice. And make sure you put details in it, you put your love. Don't rush. Take your time. Here I'm speeding up the time, so for sure I'm not doing it that quick because I'm speeding up the time. So take your time, take every section very clean, very nice, and put the elastic nicely, and just make sure everything looks very, very, very good. And when you do it first time, maybe it's gonna take a little bit of time, but after you do it 1-2 times, after that it's gonna be very easy. So here, after I finished all the hair, you see I'm pulling the ponytails out, and I get more volume because this is what gonna make the French ponytail looks really good. Then now all I do, I put bobby pin in the bottom, just because the last ponytail, I don't want to let it hang out, just I want to put it inside the hair to make it looks more formal and nice. As you see, it's really nothing that difficult. It's beautiful, unique, and you can wear it for anything, any ceremony. So make sure, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and show me your love with thumbs up, and I see you in another video, and ciao for now.